morning, good morning, good morning, you guys. We are out here 7:40 because we are meeting the group for a run, and I started on the other side of the bridge. So they should be passing here soon, and it's like sprinkling, but it's not supposed to rain until about 9-10ish. So I figured I might as well come out here, get the run done, and we are ready just in case. All right, I better get going. I will see you guys after the run. What, Pumpkin? So it started pouring. So we're under the bridge, waiting for it to pass. How Bam Bam?
We got 2 miles in.
I know, 2 miles down.
2.
It's pouring. You wanna try it?
Try.
It's like oatmeal. Ooh. I'm gonna try first. Not bad. Don't like it. I wouldn't say it's like my favorite thing in the world, just because I'm not a huge oatmeal person, period. But if I was to have oatmeal, this is the way it would go. It's actually pretty good. So this is what flavor is it? Raspberry something? I forgot. But basically it's the red pack. So all I had to do was fill it up to this line right here, the fill line, with milk, and then add the powder, shake it, put it in the fridge, and by this morning it was ready to eat. And I was gonna eat it before my run, but I can't handle anything in my stomach before I run, so I have it ready for when I get back home. I don't have to like make something or anything like that. And this is not like sponsored or like anything like that. Overnight Oats did not pay me to say this. They did send me this product for free to try out. So I just want to be clear with you guys that I did not get paid to say this is, I like it. I genuinely like it. And I'm not an oatmeal person, which I'm surprised. I was actually expecting not to like it, and I was expecting Billy to like it. So I am curious what Billy thinks about it. I will have, whenever Billy tries it, he'll probably try the chocolate one. He'll let you guys know how that one goes. I have a feeling he's gonna like this, because it's pretty good. And the nice thing is they come with this little shaker thingy-majigger. So cute. Oh yeah, you guys, I am very, very happy with this. I am going to drink that while I edit my vlog. And yes, we got poured out on our run today. The lighting is like really bad right there. So we were supposed to do 8 miles, 9 miles, something like that. But I only ended up doing 2 because it was just sprinkling when we got out there. Well, originally when I got out of the car, it was not raining. And then when I got on the bridge, it was sprinkling. And then it started pouring. And I was about a half mile away from my car. So I was like, I better go back to my car because it was crazy pouring. So I had to hurry up and get the kids packed up. And I actually took one of the lady that was on the bike. I drove her across the bridge because otherwise she'd have to drive across that bridge or ride across that bridge. So yeah, that was fun. I mean, it really actually was fun. I love the rain. I absolutely love it. If I didn't have the kids with me, I would have definitely ran in that rain because it was so nice. It was like perfect temperature. I mean, it was perfect running weather for me. So, oh well, kids come first. I didn't want them getting sick, so we headed home. By the way, look how cute they're being. You saying careful to Asha? Careful, Asha. No, she can look at you. Don't say that. She cute. Yeah. You playing with Asha? Yeah. Yeah, good job. Nice job helping her bounce. Billy Amir, what are you doing, child? You think it's funny? Of course your sister likes it. Kisses? Boy, give me some kisses. Oh, thank you. Thanks, Bam Bam. Now your turn. Your turn, pretty girl. You give me some kisses. You give me some kisses. Oh, you're just so sweet. Remember when your brother used to sit like this in my arms? Now he's too big. Now he's too big. You don't get too big, okay? Okay, little girl. So, I have been sitting here on my computer cheering people on at the Chicago Marathon, you guys. My sister-in-law's husband's brother. Is that really confusing? Basically, Tim's brother just ran the Chicago Marathon. My coach that has been training me for the half marathon, she just ran the Chicago Marathon. So I'm sitting here on the computer watching their little people running, and I was cheering them on. I was like, yes, go. Ooh, she's about to hit the 30K. Oh, he's about to hit this. Like, it's just been so exciting for me. I don't know if that's like so lame to like get so excited for people sitting here when they're in Chicago running. I don't know. I get excited about that kind of stuff. So I was sitting here cheering them on. I thought it was really cool that I could follow them along. So yeah, it was a lot of fun for me. And they did really, really good, you guys. Cynthia did a 4:01 and Matt did a 5:03. So really, really proud of them. Really excited for them. That is so, so cool. I'm kind of getting the itch to do a marathon, you guys. I probably won't. I always get this like itch every now and then to sign up for one, but I never do. I just never feel like I'm ready. Never feel like I'm like there, you know? So I don't know. But either way, it was really exciting cheering them on, and congratulations to the both of you. You guys did amazing. You guys are inspiring. Way to go. And yeah, I'm feeling inspired, you guys. Maybe I'll just sign up for one now while I'm feeling inspired so I don't chicken out later. Just kidding, I'm not gonna do that though, for real. Hi, baby girl. You still have your bow in your hair? Yeah? You wake up looking pretty? Come, come. Let's go get your brother. You're not sleeping, you can't trick me. Bam Bam, what's on your bed? What's on your sheets? Airplanes! You have airplanes on your sheets? Those are the coolest sheets ever. Wow! Oh, it's so cute. vlogging us. Oh, hi guys. Do me a favor. Can you count the balls? Count them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
8. And then what?
9, 10, 4, 40.
What about 11, 12? Wheel. What's wrong with the wheel? Let me see. Let me see. Oh, it's a little broken. This car's really old. This used to be Hershey Mama's car. Yeah. What is Asha doing? What you doing, pretty girl?
Yucky.
Is she yucky, your car? It's alright. You could just wipe it off. Hey, be nice.
My car.
You had to share with your sister. Thank you for giving her a toy. Thank you, my pumpkin, for being so sweet. Alright, you guys, it is the end of the night. And you know what that means? I gotta do my masa. And it feels good. The living room is already clean. I gotta finish cleaning the kitchen. And I need to edit. And yeah, you know, the usual stuff. So that's it. That's all we have for you guys today. Actually, let me go ahead and scooch on over. I don't know what I'm doing. Scooch on over to a clip from when Bam was trying to go to sleep in our bed tonight. It was so cute, and I got him to say bye to you guys. So here it goes.
Can you say thumbs up? Do this. Say thumbs up. Do this. Say thumbs up. Thumbs up. Yeah. And say subscribe. Yeah. And say see you tomorrow. Tomorrow. Say bye. Good job. Yeah. Say bye-bye. Good job. Mwah. Love you.